Hello guys, welcome back to iOS Pro Hacker. If your iPhone is stuck on the recovery mode screen showing the cable and computer icon, or your iPhone is not turning on properly, stuck on a black screen, stuck on the Apple logo, or trapped in some kind of boot issue, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem safely. And the best part is, this method is designed to fix the issue without data loss, so there is no need to panic. Now first, let's quickly understand the problem. This usually happens because of a software glitch, a failed update, a restore issue, or some kind of iOS system problem. And when that happens, the iPhone may get stuck on recovery mode, black screen, Apple logo, restore screen, or may simply stop turning on properly. Now, because this cannot be done without a computer, the first thing you need is a Windows PC or a Mac. After that, go to the iMobi AnyFix website. The link is in the description. Download the software, install it on your computer, and then open it. AnyFix is basically an iOS system repair tool. It is made to help fix different iPhone and iPad system problems like recovery mode issues, Apple logo stuck screen, black screen, restore screen, and other iOS boot problems. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Here, I would strongly recommend using a good quality cable so the connection stays stable during the process. Now, the first method you should try is the simplest one: exit recovery mode. If your iPhone is specifically stuck on the recovery mode screen, then this is the easiest and fastest option. Inside AnyFix, choose the option to exit recovery mode and then click exit recovery mode. AnyFix officially offers one-click enter and exit recovery mode, and iMobi presents this route as a safe, no data loss way to get an iPhone out of recovery mode. In many cases, that alone is enough. The iPhone reboots normally, the issue is fixed, and your data stays safe. So definitely try this first. Now, if your iPhone exits recovery mode successfully, then that's great. Your problem is solved in the easiest possible way. But if that does not work, or the phone is still stuck, or it goes back into the same issue again, then you move to the second method, and that is system repair. Inside AnyFix, go to the system repair option. Then select the type of iPhone problem you are facing and continue. After that, choose Standard Repair. This is the main repair option you should use first, because Standard Repair is the mode designed to fix common iOS system issues without data loss. iMobi's guides say Standard Repair can fix many common issues while keeping data, while deeper modes may be used for more serious issues. Now, once you select Standard Repair, the software will ask you to download the correct firmware package for your iPhone. So now download the firmware and let it complete fully. This may take a little time depending on your internet speed, so just wait patiently. During this step, do not disconnect the phone, do not close the software, and do not interrupt the process. AnyFix's official repair flow includes choosing the repair mode, downloading the firmware package, and then clicking Start Repair to begin fixing the iPhone. Once the firmware download is complete, click Start Repair. Now the software will begin repairing your iPhone. At this stage, the phone may restart during the process, and that is normal. Just keep the device connected and let the repair finish. If the issue is caused by a system glitch, recovery mode loop, Apple logo freeze, black screen problem, or another common iOS issue, this process can bring the iPhone back to normal. iMobi presents AnyFix as a repair tool for these kinds of iOS stuck states. So guys, this is how you can fix an iPhone that is stuck in recovery mode, not turning on properly, stuck on the Apple logo, black screen, or facing a similar iOS system issue using iMobi AnyFix. I hope this video helps you out. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and if you want more iPhone repair tutorials, iOS fixes, and step-by-step guides, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.